Some lucky person's got to get the ball and bring it back.
Hall of Famer.
Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer. Yeah. Only Hall of Famers.
Oh yeah.
Hey, wait a second. Yeah.
Hall of Fame swim.
We got fans. Matt, you got to say it. Yeah.
Come on,
wait.
come in.
We'll wait for you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You want to throw down? Throw down.
Let's do it. Hey, one more. Everybody touch the ball. Everybody touch the ball. Come on, throw it around. Up the
Take pictures of this one, and I'll get to you guys.
All right.
All right, you got it.
Put her on your neck, and then hold it down lightly.
Gorby, you got
Yeah.
the ball.
Everyone's just prolonging.
You
gotta go in first.
Hey, Gorby. Gorby, throw it in, Gorby. Throw it in, Brian. Give it to Matt. Matt, you're Hall of Fame ball. Hall of Fame ball. Hall of Fame ball. Keep it moving. Matt. Oh, come on. On his head. I got it. He's filming it. All right, film yourself throwing it. I got it. What do you mean? You did it. Can you do it? Here we go. Right, no! Thank God, Drake. Oh my God. Fuck! Kim, you got that extra towel?
Ooh, I gave it to you.
Come on,
I got something.
Okay.
Wow. Sorry we went in first.
Take your shoes off. Get your feet out of the wet.
Yeah?
Is it cold or what?
Not what you want to do.
They're still in there. Ryan Pello bringing up the rear here.
It's more in your head.
Hey, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man. Hot water bath over there.
It had to be one of the coldest.
That has to be the coldest. Last year we went like mid-March.
No, it was one time it was freezing rain. When you got out, it was freezing rain. You couldn't warm up even right now. It's healthy.
Where's the little beer?
Crack.
You got beers over there?
Oh, man. Got it, thank you. You guys need anything?
Getting naked over there. No, they got towels on.
Thanks, guys. Woo, love you.
Gorby, man, that's awesome.
I know.
Welcome back, Gorby. Yeah, welcome back. Gorby, 9 more years and you're in the Hall of Fame. Kim, you didn't go to Iona. 15 for you. Sorry.
Kevin, you didn't come over to my house.
What does that mean? Still 9 years.